Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button because I make videos daily, 3 videos a day, so there's a good chance that you can binge watch today, yesterday, and all the playlists on the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, we are going to review American Heritage Federal Credit Union based out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Shout outs to Philly. It's an amazing credit union. I've got a lot of things to talk about. I'm going to try to keep it around 8 to 10 minutes long on this video. You're going to want to stay with me the entire way. Before we get into these products, though, I want to give a huge shout out to all my first-time viewers. I promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. These are very conversational, organic videos meant to give you data points, tips, tricks on how to get high access credit funding. Okay, so join the conversation today. Smash the like button and the subscribe button. You can always unsubscribe. And for all of my radical marketers out there, subscribe to the channel. Double salute. It's because of your likes, your comments on every single video that's pushing this channel out, and we are blowing up on YouTube, and it's all because of you guys. I'm so thankful for you. Also, everybody watching, you guys can join the private Facebook group and hit me up on Instagram with your questions in a DM, and follow me on Instagram because I'll be doing a lot of giveaways here soon on Instagram, and you don't want to miss it. Finally, we're done with the intro. All right, guys, let's get into this, all the data points on how to join the membership with the bank, and then we're going to talk about the different products because it will surprise you. There's some good stuff here. I would say American Heritage is definitely a credit union to pursue, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. Try to keep it 8 to 10 minutes long. Let's get into it. Now, also, please comment if you have American Heritage. What's your data points? What did you get with them? Do you guys want them? Tell me what you guys think while I'm talking in the comment section, okay? Now, they have over $3 billion in assets based in Philly. You can join it even if you don't live in Pennsylvania. Through they're not geo-restricted. When you go to join, there's different organizations and associations that you can become a part of, and that would get you membership. Now, the downside to this is it is going to be a hard pull for membership. They will check your check systems, and they will hard pull from Experian. Now, the good news is that the hard pulls are good for 30 days, meaning once you join the membership, once you join the credit union, you have up to 30 days to use that one hard pull with Experian to apply for credit cards, lines of credit, loans, whatever the case is. So make sure that you guys take advantage of that. Now, this lender is going to be very conservative. They will favor people with very good Experian scores, high credit, high income, high net worth. They will lend high limits, but you're going to have to qualify for it. It's not going to be an easy one. But if you have a good Experian report, you have good stated income, provable income, whatever, depending on what you're applying for, you're going to be good to go, and you're going to really like some of these products. Now, let's just jump right into it. The personal loan is pretty crazy, actually. So the personal loan, believe it or not, you can go up to 120 months, a minimum of $300, and they lend up to $100,000. So you could literally have 120 months to repay $100,000. Okay, yeah, I mean, you don't have to take the full $100,000, but they will do $100,000 on 120 months, which is crazy. All right, and you can use it for whatever you want. Pretty low APR too, if you think about it. If you do like 24 months. Depending on what you're looking to get, 8.74 is not too bad. Obviously, 12.74 is a long time on $100,000, but it's up to you. The credit line is open-ended. That is also $100,000 that I'm seeing on the boards as well. So that's pretty sweet as well. The interest is kind of high on that, okay? But there's no annual fee on the revolving line of credit. Now, we're going to jump into the credit cards because this is where it gets interesting. So they're going to have different cards, right? But the secured MasterCard, check this out. Deposit funds in the amount of your chosen credit limit from $300 to $25,000. And I'm going to talk about this penny purchase program. But you can have up to a $25,000 secured credit card, $35 annual fee. Now, it will graduate in 6 months. Okay, so if you put $25,000 down, here's a hack for you guys. Want to stick with me? If you put $25,000 down, then in 6 months you can apply for it to graduate. You have to do another hard pull, which sucks. But if you have $25,000 down on the secured MasterCard and you're using it every single month, on month 7, I would do a hard pull and apply for it to be unsecured with customer service. If you qualify for it and you're doing good payments and you're using the bank, then they're going to give you your $25,000 back. It's going to become unsecured and you're going to keep the credit line and everything. This is going to be a very, very powerful secured credit card, people. Okay? Yes, it's a hard pull to get it, but you can literally manufacture a $25,000 trade line. If you have no credit, this is a beautiful way to get into Chase 524. It's a great way to start getting high access to credit funding, because when a bank lends $25,000, other banks feel more comfortable doing it too. Matter of fact, if you got the money to go out the gate, I would do this the first thing and get a secured loan with these people, and you're going to be golden, okay? That's just the nugget for you. Share this with your friends and family that are starting their credit journey or repairing their credit journey, because all of these credit cards, right, they're going to go up to $100,000. Now, the penny a purchase program is basically American Heritage donates a penny to the Kids in Hope Foundation for every purchase you make using your credit cards. Now, one of the credit cards is going to have a 0% balance purchases and balance transfer for 9 months, almost a full year, and 9% 99 after that. The other one is going to have 3% cash back on all purchases, all, no limit to that whatsoever. I also like the credit cards because they're going to have no balance transfer fee, no annual fee, which is pretty good. And then we're going to jump right into the kids. You can check that out. Home equity lines of credit were pretty crazy. I was a big fan of this. So they have these different things. We're going to go right down to here. You can go from anywhere from $5,000 to $1.5 million. Okay, so their credit cards go to $100,000. Their personal loans go to $100,000. Their lines of credit go to $100,000. Their home equity loans go to $1.5 million. You have different draw periods. This is basically going to be up to 20 years. 95% of LTV, or loan to value. And you guys can kind of see the different things that they have. This is a great way to leverage your equity that you have in your home. Okay, now they have different, you can kind of go through the different lines of credit here and the equity loans. But other than that, the motor vehicle loans are pretty good too, 2.99%, terms up to 75 months. No payments for the first 2 months. It's pretty solid. You can even get new and used auto loans up to 84 months, 7 years. Motorcycle loans, financing up to 40 grand. Go get your Harley if it's under 40 grand. 72 months on that. Get you an RV. Then you can do some house hacking if you want, travel the country, and then you can get your ATV and motorcraft and all your toys. Now, also they do refis. They do reverse mortgages, FHA, VAs, special government programs for veterans up to 100% with no money down. Pretty good. They got stuff for medical workers, jumbo loans, adjustable rate programs, refiing. Some good rates going on that, no closing costs. A lot of calculators all over the place. Guys, so let's recap on American Heritage. They also have business side of things too. So you guys can start tapping into their business products as well, which would also help. They have commercial loans. They have the credit cards. So what I love about this is the credit limit will be up to $40,000. No balance transfer fees, no annual fees. Does not report to the personal credit bureaus. All stated income, which is super helpful. And then you can also, once you start doing the business banking with them, then you got commercial loans, small business loans. What's this business relief? Let's figure out what that is real quick. Basically all this stuff with the pandemic is going on right here. So let me recap this, guys. I love this credit union. I would probably not do it this year, but I'll do it next year because I have some credit unions I'm going to run through. But what I love about American Heritage is $100,000 credit cards, $100,000 loans, 120 months to pay back the loan, 10 years, okay? $100,000 credit line. They got a business credit card, $40,000. They got business and personal stuff. They got huge lines of credit for the HELOCs. I'm loving that. The secured credit card is probably one of the best in the game. I don't know what there is not to like about American Heritage. I'll do some more videos on American Heritage. If you want me to do some more, put them in the comment section of what you want me to do. Like, comment, subscribe, throw your question of any credit product that you have, any review you want me to do. Join the private Facebook group, add me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Watch the playlist, watch the videos from the day, and always smash that like button and throw a random comment in the comment section. Appreciate you guys. Salute.